Assalamu alaikum everyone. Good time to all of you. This is Hassan in front of you. My dear all audience and spectator, I have come for the make a video because today Pakistan and Bangladesh they are playing the cricket, so that's why in the stadium too much noisy, and right now you are watching this place, that place totally noisy and enjoyable, lots of uh, spectator in the stadium. So I am here right now, a rooftop in my hostel, rooftop here. So it's located Mirpur 6, but it's close to practice ground. Practice ground mean you are watching this stadium. This called Sher Bangla Stadium. It's Bangladesh National Stadium. So it's close to nearby, close to this practice ground, and beside, it's located Mirpur 6. So and English therapy is also English therapy. I am hostel right now. I am here, so it's totally different place. So actually I have come for visit purpose, but I am watching the night view. That's why I have taken decision. I have to make video. That's why I am just share with you everyone. So you can watch totally different view. It's called today 15 March in 2026. So you are watching this video. It's through the video, this building, English therapy building. So we are watching easily. So it's a Grameen Bank. You can it's Grameen Bank's main office. So totally different view. So my dear all spectator, I am very excited because last few days I didn't make any video. So that's why now I have taken decision I should make video. So also I am watching through the television. So my camera actually can't capture this on kind of view because there's too much distance. So you are watching beside the stadium. This side I am actually, this side might be north south side. So it's English. It is south side stadium. So you are watching this view totally night. It's right now weather totally different weather, my dear spectator. So Bangladesh and Pakistan are being played cricket match. So you are listening sound totally is sound coming to into the stadium, in the stadium. So this because there are in the rooftop, on the rooftop there are lots of sand here because this building authority owner, they are repairing around the building. So right now there are lots of material things, goods now on the rooftop. So totally different and too much on kind of dust. So I just shared my opinion, and now it's totally different because it's, oh my god, right now might be on wicket have got. So I'm so sorry audience because I can't make video properly because my camera have no power this kind of capture for zoom purpose. So I am trying to zoom. You are watching this inside in the stadium. There are lots of spectators. So there is a national practice ground in Dhaka beside the stadium. So this located, I am just sharing you. You are watching this tree. There are lots of tree at practice ground beside. So this located Mirpur 6. So we are to go to Mirpur 10. Beside the road, you are watching this road is right now is full darkness. That's why you can't watching. So my dear all spectators, we are watching GLZ. It's another institute, but I forgot that name. It's totally GLG. Might be it's a I don't know. It's government or on a non-government office. So also this is our also beside hostel. My own teacher, not only teacher, 3-4 teacher, they are living this hostel. Uh, so right now I am getting too much cold wind, so I feel now too much burning. So that's why I'm very excited. So this Ramadan month. So Ramadan month actually it is a very different month for all Muslim ummah, because we are Muslims, so we have to maintain Islamic rules, any rules. So because Allah and our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave us rules, and then Allah created these rules, so we are bound to maintain these rules. So already Dhaka, there are lots of people they have lived in Dhaka because from Dhaka, because few days after our big event, I mean big festival, Eid al-Fitr is going to be held, might be on 20 or 19 March in 2026. So actually I get to sit here. So right now I am sitting on the rooftop. So it's very reachable because night time there are no people. I am just showing this sky, but it's totally darkness, so you won't watch. So my dear audience, actually I have lots of mistake. I have done lots of mistakes. So my dear all audience, please forgive me, because last few days I didn't make video. Last maybe 2 days ago I have made on video this few minutes. So that's why I feel uncomfortable, and now I am very I feel very biting. So that's why. Oh, just I am just sharing this. This located mean this. You're watching this that light. So there are light in front of the stadium. This side is stadium east side. So east side mean Mirpur 2. This in front of stadium, this located Mirpur 2. This north side, Muhammadpur and Mirpur 10. This middle road. So you are watching this building. I can zoom. This building is Grameen. Forget this doctor. This building has built Dr. Muhammad Yunus. This Grameen Bank owner of Yunus. I have no idea about that matter, so I shoot about this matter. So you are watching this lighting. It's it's on one kind of playground. Play institute, lots of play, it's called game available that building. So it's located Mirpur 1, but I haven't visit that building, but my some friends, they have visited already. So this practice ground, sometimes we see lots of our national player, also foreigner, another country player, together they have they played this playground. So right now in the stadium, plenty of audience, they are enjoying for cricket match. So but I have no time, my dear spectator. Also I have no time. That's why I didn't go in the stadium. because it was a too much low price. Today ticket price it was might be not might be, it was a 200 money, so it was a too much low. But any play, I mean, people that time it was too much high expensive, because 64 district people, they come to Dhaka. After that it is too expensive, too much more expensive, too much and more expensive. So thank you, my dear all audience. If I will alive, so Allah want, I am making video for learning purpose. So I have mistake lots of, so you forgive me, because I am learner from you. Also I am just sharing my opinion through the making videos. So thank you, my dear audience. Allah Hafiz.